Addition polymerization. Now, addition polymers are formed by joining up of many monomers and only occurs in monomers that contain a double carbon bond. So, one of the carbon bonds in each double carbon bond breaks and forms a bond with the adjacent monomer. So, as you can see that the double carbon bond is broken down and it is now a single carbon bond. Now, many polymers can be made by the addition of alkene monomers. Others are made from alkene monomers with different atoms attached to the monomer. Now, the name of the polymer is deduced by putting the name of the monomer in brackets. For example, if propene is the alkene monomer used, then the name will be polypropene. So we have used ethene, so the name will be polyethene. Over here, this is chloroethene. So the double bonds are broken and now they are known as polychloroethene.